Good evening, MMM community. Ako po si Rianel B. Abella, one of the active ordinary participants of this community from the province of Western Samar. So it was last March 9 when one of my downline provided an assistance in the amount of 33,000 pesos. So I got a referral bonus which is 3,300. Then, fortunately, last March 24, I got help in the amount of 3,800 pesos. And here are the details. So, last March 24, I got help in the amount of 3,800 pesos. So, this includes a referral bonus last March 9, 2016 in the a total amount of 3,795.63. Then, it also includes current growth of 30% per month, remaining of 5 pesos. So, all in all, I got help in the amount of 3,800 pesos last March 24. So, thank you very much, MMM, to all the participants of this community, especially to Mr. Sergi Mavrodi. Maraming salamat.